Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today we are going to discuss the YouTube feature end screen, and we will also see a quick demo how to add end screen to your YouTube videos. The end screen features help you to promote other videos, encourage viewers and subscribers, and more. You can add end screen during the upload of your new video under Video Element tab. We are going to see that shortly. So now for this example, let's take any example video. I am uploading this video. Okay, we have uploaded the video and we have to switch to video elements, right? So for that, let's select some of required option here and then go to video elements directly. I have skipped the monetization tab. Here we could add an end screen in our this video. From here you have the option to pick up one of the template, or you can go specifically to element type that you want to add video, playlist, subscribe, channel, or the link at the end screen. Let's say we want to add video, and in the video option we want automatically feature the most recently uploaded long form video, or the second option we could choose here that allow YouTube to select a video from your channel that best suit your viewers, or we can choose the video specifically from the list. Right, let's say I want to choose this video here and this is edit here. And let's say we want to remove this element and we want to add other element, we could go just directly to delete element here. And again we can go to element if we want to add playlist or subscribe button. Let's say we want to add subscribe ITBK, and the timing we want is from this timing to this time. Let's say now we decided to remove this element and we want to add the playlist element here, and here we could choose any playlist that we want to add it here, but make sure add the most relevant playlist here. And if you are registered into YouTube partner program and your channel is monetized, you will see the option to add the link as well, right? So once I'm click on the link, I got a caution that your use of external link must comply with AdWords policy, YouTube ads policy, and YouTube community guidelines. So make sure to follow all these terms and conditions. Let's say I accept, and here I could paste the link now for my website. Let's go to my website. Here is my website, and I pasted the link for my website, and I can select apply. Now my website will be shown in the end screen. Perfect. Now after these customize option, let's remove these and let's see what elements we could add, like what are the predefined templates we could add to our video end screen. So like we have several options: import from last video, one subscribe, one video, one link and one subscribe, one playlist and one subscribe, one video, one playlist. Let's choose the one that have one video, one playlist plus one subscribe. Here we have one video that is best for viewers. The second option we have is to add the playlist, and the last thing we have here is subscribe ITPK, and that will be going to shown here. Also, you could change the timing for all of these end screen feature whenever you want to show them into your video. So if you have seen, I have dragged and dropped them according to my requirement. And the second thing what I could do here, I could change the timing from here as well, right? This subscribe element timing I could change from here. If I want to change any other element timing, let's select this, and I could change the timing for best video for viewers. And the third option we have here was the playlist. So if I want to include playlist and I want to change the timing from 3 seconds to 9 seconds, I could do right away. Also, if you want to edit the placement of your feature like video best for viewers or the playlist or the subscribe element you want to show, we could change the placement for all of these end screen element however we want, right? That's perfect. Let's say I want it like this. Here my subscribe button and here my playlist. By this way, you can check and ensure nothing is interfering in your video with your important content. Here, the next option we are going to see is you have the grid option that you want to show the grid of your video if you want to snap to grid of your video or if you want to select snap to element for your video. So I have unselect all of these. I want only show grid for my video. That will be like this. If you change your mind what's done till now, you can do undo, redo, or trace or delete icon in front of your elements. Like if I want to delete all of these, I go ahead and deleted all of these element and let's say I want this template which will only show one video and one subscribe here. And let's say I've accidentally deleted those which I don't want to delete. Let's go undo, again undo, one more undo, and the last undo will show all of my settings which I have deleted earlier. Once you are done by adding and editing and updating your required end screen option, you can go ahead and directly click on save. And now you can proceed next and you can post this video to a YouTube. Now the next option we have is that how we could add an end screen for our existing videos. So let's go ahead and pick up any videos we want to update the end screen for our this video and let's go directly to editor. In the editor option, our required purpose here is end screen. We want to add end screen to this video. Let's say I want to apply template to this video and don't have any end screen added to this video. What I want is I want to select the template that has one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. The timing is fine. Let's say I want to change this timing for subscribe element from 42 seconds to 52 seconds. The video best for viewers fine. The next option we have is subscribe. That's perfect. I've added all of the required fields in the video that was posted few months ago. I have to pick up the playlist as well and I want to pick up the playlist basic IT tips. So now I am done adding end screen to my old video and I'm okay with all of this and I'm ready to go ahead and click on save. So that's it about today's simple, quick and to the point tutorial how to use end screen feature in YouTube, subscriber, viewers and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.